How many network topologies do we have in total? We have total 7 types of network topologies, which we will discuss one by one. Actually 6 types of topologies. The 7th one is just the combination of all these topologies. So why we need topologies? Why do we need to understand? We need to understand because when we are making networks, of course we need to connect them together. When we connect two devices together, it becomes a simple network. So can you tell me which type of network is it? Of course, this is a point to point, point A to point B or point 1 to point 2. So this is a small point to point network. That's why when we are making the networks, we need to understand different types of network topologies. The first type of topology is called as point to point, which I showed you just now. This type of topology, it has a merit and it has some demerits as well. The advantage is that it is simple topology, you don't need much cabling, but the disadvantage is that you cannot connect more than 2 devices. So it is limited, it's not scalable. The second type of topology is called bus network topology. It's an old type of network topology and these days we don't use those kind of cables. Here there was a central bus and all the devices were connected to it. The third type of network topology is called as ring. Because point to point and bus topology cannot give us redundancy, so we need a topology which can give us protection. In ring topology, when one side of the ring or any network segment, any cable is cut, the data can flow from the other side. But of course, it's not so scalable option. When you want to add or remove a device, it's a lot of extra work. Then we also have a star network topology, which is the fourth type. In star topology, there is a central switch or central device or hub where all devices are connected. So it's easy for troubleshooting as compared to ring topology, but of course there is a big problem with this kind of topology, that the central point. The central point is single point of failure. If this central device or central connection is having problem, then the whole network will be down. The fifth type of topology is called as mesh network topology. So in mesh topology, we connect all devices with all devices, which means each device will have a connection to every other device in the network. Of course, this gives us more redundancy, but it's costly and it needs more cabling. The sixth type is called tree network topology. This one we will discuss more in our switching module when we will discuss about layer 2 switching. So this topology is used wherever we have a risk of having layer 2 network loops. The seventh type of topology is hybrid network topology. Hybrid means, just like it's shown in this picture, we can combine the advantages of multiple topologies together and achieve this kind of topology. In practical network, wherever I have seen, I have always observed that they are using hybrid network topology. Because of course different network segments have different types of requirements. In remote areas, we just need point to point connection with microwaves and other technologies. And in city areas where the banks are connected or where the customers are financial institutes, it needs high redundancy. In that area, we use mesh network. So this is how practical networks are connected together. So in practical network, just like it's shown here in this picture, we have a ring topology, a bus topology, which are connected through point to point topology. So these are 7 types of network topologies which we have discussed.